Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Today's unboxing video, we're looking at 6 Greenlight Collectibles cars, mostly all service vehicles, part of Greenlight's Hot Pursuit series. I've got a 2020 Ford Utility Interceptor. I've got a 1982 Ford Mustang SSP. I've got another 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility. I've got a 1974 Jeep DJ5. Then I've also got a 2019 Dodge Durango. And last but not least, I've got a 1986 Ford Taurus LX that was used in the movie RoboCop. I'll get them out of the blister packs, take a closer look, then I'll put them on the turntable as usual. Okay, the first one we're looking at today is a 1982 Ford Mustang SSP, California Highway Patrol. Pretty good model. Pretty decent livery as well. Alright, let's get him out of the pack. Pretty good looking model, guys. I love the black and white color scheme. Most popular one in LAPD. This one's a highway patrol, pretty well detailed rear with a license plate, decals, tail lights, metal chassis as always, being a Greenlight Collectibles. Pretty decent front with headlights, blinkers. Kind of in two minds if I should try and pry open the bonnet. Oh, there you go. Not well detailed or highly detailed, but pretty good for a 1/64 scale, guys. Quite happy with it. Alright, I'll pop him on the turntable. Okay, I've got this NYPD parking lot mat. I might just place the car on that one there. There you go. And let's look at the next one. 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, Greenlight Collectibles Hot Pursuit Series, Philadelphia Police. It's pretty good, guys. Let's get him out. That's the vehicle, guys. I'm loving the livery and the decals so far. I think this is one of the most common and popular police vehicles across the states. Of course, different liveries depending on the state they're using it in. It's got a bar, siren lights, police written, plastic headlights. I'm loving the siren lights in the front as well. Nice plastic grille with the Ford logo. Side mirrors, metal chassis as always. Loving the decals, guys. Look at that license plate. Metal exhaust, painted tail lights. These guys are pretty good releases of service vehicles. I think the most common ones across the states are the Ford Utility Interceptor, the Ford Crown Victoria, and I guess there's a fair few Dodge Durangos as well. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay, gonna pop this guy as well on the parking lot mat. There you go. And the next one we got is a 1974 Jeep DJ5. It's the same Hot Pursuit series, part of Greenlight Collectibles, Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department, Indianapolis, Indiana. It looks like one of those old Willys Jeep. Quite liking it. Alright, I'll get him out of the pack. That's the Jeep, guys. It's got a nice bar siren lights. Pretty decent decals. Well detailed. They've got plastic headlights. Siren lights. Metal chassis. Well, even plastic tail lights. It's pretty good. Plenty of detailing all across. Alright, turntable time. Okay, on to the parking lot. And time to look at the next one. Okay, this one's Greenlight Collectibles, part of the same Hot Pursuit series. It's a 2019 Dodge Durango, Philadelphia Police, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Wow, quite nice, guys. Alright, that's the vehicle, guys. Pretty decent. Detailing, decals, and livery. I love Dodge Durangos, guys. I've got a Matchbox Dodge Durango. I can't even think of comparing this one to that one, because that's outright bland and plain. They've got nice bar siren lights, pretty nicely detailed front with the plastic grille and Dodge written across it. Expressway Patrol, dial 911, pretty good detailing, guys. And look at the metal or chrome exhaust, the bar tail lights with the license plate. I really love Greenlight releases, guys. They do a pretty good job and do a lot of justice to the models. Okay, I'll put him on the turntable. Okay, onwards on to the parking lot. All right. Next one up is Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series. One of my all-time favorite movies, one of my all-time favorite movie, RoboCop 1986 Ford Taurus LX. I've done another one of these unboxing videos in a different video, but interestingly this one's got the bar siren lights, but that one had like two little vintage style siren lights on top that look more like a microphone. But I'm just happy and grateful to God I was able to get my hands on this one, because this is the one they used in the movie. The other one's pretty similar and very identical, except for that little difference on top. So yeah, your move, creep. I'll get him out of the pack. Okay, that's the car, guys. I love the relays. The movie was released in 1987, and this one is a 1986 model. It's got Detroit Police. I think it's got OCP in the middle. Headlights. It's got like a little bull bar, license plate, a focus light on top with the bar, siren lights, metal chassis, license plate, and pretty detailed tail lights with the Taurus livery and the Ford logo. I just quickly ran over to my showcase and grabbed the other model as well, just to give you guys an insight of what I meant. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging in doubt. Okay, that's the other car there, guys. If you look at the siren lights, they're pretty different. Not really weird, but I don't remember seeing that in the movie at all. I just colored the front two lights like a siren lights kind of thingy, red and blue. Very identical, except for that little difference on top. Probably a later release. I'll probably just put them both on the turntable, but I'll first do this one and then I'll put them both at the same time. Okay, that's both the cars on the turntable. Once again, pretty much the same model, quite identical, except for the siren lights on top. And to make things look more authentic to the movie, I brought my little Robocop out as well. That's a 1/64 scale figure, guys. It goes really well with the cars. What's your message, Robo? Stay out of trouble. Thank you, sir. Okay, I moved the cars onto the parking lot and I put Mini Robocop on top of the car just to make it look interesting. Alright, let's go for the last one in today's video. One of my all-time favorite cars and service vehicles, the 2020 Police Interceptor Utility. Part of Greenlight Collectibles, I'm guessing service vehicle series because it doesn't say Hot Pursuit. Apparently this is the #1 selling police vehicle in America, made in 2019. Okay, let's have a closer look. Just look at this beauty, guys. A wonderful masterpiece from Greenlight. There's so many other different liveries on this Ford utility, but this one trumps them all. Just look at that, a US flag, police interceptor on the sides, 911 to protect and serve, siren lights everywhere, on the front fog lights, on the grill bar, siren lights on top. They've also got lights on the side mirrors as well. Pretty true and close to the original, guys. Absolutely impeccable. We've got a Ford license plate, chrome exhaust, painted tail lights, metal chassis. What more can you ask, guys? Hats off to Greenlight. Alright, let's take a 360 look on the turntable. Alright guys, that comes to the end of the video, and that's all the cars we had a look at today. The Ford Mustang, the Ford Utility Interceptor, the Jeep, Dodge Durango, Ford Taurus, and of course the Ford Interceptor Utility. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.